UMass Amherst professor has pleaded not guilty to charges of driving under the influence after Hadley police say she hit a stroller with her car in a parking lot.
Prosecutors accuse her of testing over 3 times the legal alcohol limit at the scene, and now the mother of the child in the stroller is speaking out. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live with more. Audrey.
The baby in that stroller was not injured Monday afternoon, but now the mother of that child is reaching out to us with a statement on what she says happened to her yesterday. Katie O'Neill tells us she's pregnant, and she says that she tried to scream in an attempt to get the driver to stop, and she called 911. She tells us in part, quote, at any moment she could have pressed the gas by accident and gone forward, pinning a pregnant woman and her 17-month-old child between their car. This comes as another mom in the community is speaking out about the incident.
Yeah, it's very scary, but thank God the baby was okay.
Melissa Stowe tells Western Mass News she frequently takes her 3 little ones to Mountain Farms Mall in Hadley and usually considers them safe in the parking lot.
People seem pretty cautious.
The mother of the child reaching out to Western Mass News to share these pictures of the scene. The child, whose face we're concealing, was uninjured, but prosecutors in court Tuesday say police found Hope Donahue slumped over the wheel of a car that wasn't put in park and was still running.
She did submit to the portable breath test, the result of which was a .27.
More than 3 times the legal limit, police attempted to book her, but a prosecutor at her arraignment says officers were concerned about Hope Donahue's state.
Due to her level of intoxication, she was ultimately evaluated by EMTs, later again booked by the police department.
Hope Donahue pleaded not guilty at her arraignment in Eastern Hampshire District Court. She was released on her own recognizance and is permitted to go on 3 previously scheduled work trips. She's in the biomedical engineering department at UMass. Prosecutors say her record is clean, but asked she be monitored by a SCRAM unit, which measures for alcohol use.
You are to remain alcohol-free, subject to a SCRAM unit, with the exception that the SCRAM unit requirements would not be in place for those 3 previously set visits out of state.
Hope Donahue's next scheduled court appearance is June 8th. Live in Amherst, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.